Thank you. Thank you for joining. You could have been doing any other work at this time, but you took this time to look at this video. So we really want to thank you. So we would like to just share why we have this skill up. Okay, so basically, I am from a social work background, but going further, I felt like I have to just start my career, only with international jobs. And that was my expectation, but what really happened was, I went into a government setup where I was working there, but got a very good exposure. And then slowly I started to pursue little more education. And also then I started to do some private entities, doing some trainings and encouraging students. So then I had an opportunity to work with one of the greatest companies which work in the educational sector. And then after that, I wanted to do something very special. That's the reason I started this skill up. So the point is, many times we have this aspiration to really have the first class uh, office setup, corporate culture, highest, whatever that we want in a career. But we don't really have many things that is needed. So our expectations are many times very high, but what we really receive is very different. So that's the reason we started up with this. I want to just show you how we do these things and how we would like to really help the students at large. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen so that you can understand what is this all about. Okay, so we are doing this course to help students rebrand their career. Okay, so in our community, there are so many programs that will be happening, like, freelance essential, helping people become entrepreneurs, having all the soft skills, employability skills, rebranding, the LinkedIn portion, and all these things. There are so many things like, we need to understand the corporate culture, how they monitor the HR, how these operations of happen, how they recruit the students, how we need to have the resumes, and all these things. And there are so many things in detail we need to look at because sometimes there are so many things available in front of us, but we don't really take it for us. For example, many HRs, like 70% of the HRs expect the students to negotiate the salary, but we don't. So there are so many things that we need to really learn so that we can really make a great mark. So we have been doing this course inside a community where you will have lots of events happening every now and then. You can have a look at it there, and you will have so many workshops happening. And see, there are so many hubs. Like we want to help students to master the communication, and even to the extent of um, getting into ITS or you want to go abroad, whatever. No, it should be like that. So that's why we want to make it as a 30 days, 33 months curriculum. So all these programs are going to be just 3 months because within 3 months you can get into a job. That's what statistically it says. So within 3 months you can get into a job. Within 3 months you can gain confidence. Within 3 months you can understand. So how is this program happening? So there are so many courses here. I would, share all these things: how to read, how to understand our health as well, transform your career, job search strategy, workplace etiquette, digital resumes, interview skills mastery, and communication skills, mastering work ethics, and so many basics and advanced courses. How to read. There are some tricks that would really help you read, and career roadmap, ultimate AI mastery, LinkedIn. And soft skills, employability skills, and we give assertive communication, self-awareness, emotional intelligence, all these together. Okay, and we give it as a silver membership. And now I want to give you an invite for something we call as hackathon. So how we have so many things together, but how do we give it as a, you know, easily so that they can observe it? That's what our goal is. So we have made it into 3 months program. So right now it's like 8 to 9 sessions. We start at 7:30 p.m. and it goes up to 9. And it's not going to be a lecture. It's going to be where we will have a important sharing that we will do initially, and then I would help you guys do your digital presence well. For example, if it is LinkedIn, we would like to help you with how you really put the right kind of image there. What is the words that is needed for you to get more reach? How you network? How do you understand the job strategy? How do you apply? What are the right words to put in your resume? All these things, because there are so many softwares coming up in front of that. So you see, I would like to just show you one of the events that happen. For example, hackathon session one, which is more about um, your foundation. Okay, so I would like to just show you. See, this is a foundation session, and I would be uh, doing a talk for a while, and then following that, you will receive very clear-cut information. And then I would give an activity where you will be working on a digital project. Okay, so that's where I stay silent, and we will pass that. I'll be there to answer your question, support you, but that's how this whole thing is planned. So I want you to encourage you do this and get the benefit out of it. Okay, so we'd like to welcome you to this community, and this course value is going to be really thousands more. See, even if you have uh, to learn a technology which is like 1.5 lakhs or 3 lakhs course, this is very important because this is what would take you from having the technology to your practical life. So this is very important for your career. So what is the price we can give is, we want many people to be benefit out of it. So we are giving it as 5,599. Okay, so with GST, it's going to be 1,888. It's a one-time access. You join the event, you join the all the events that is there in the community. You have the recordings, you have it both in your mobile app and in the desktop, and it's a lifetime investment, and it's going to be there with you. Okay, so it's not going to be like this. Okay, further, it could soon we'll use it for 6,000 and more. We want you to make the best use of it. Okay, so we want to just share it with you. Thank you once again for having a look at this video, and we really feel that you will really excel in your life, understanding all the nuances, and you can see how the testimonies are there in our YouTube channel as well. Thank you.